Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. At pesky cough. Ingredients: 1/4 cup dried or handful of fresh thyme, 2 cups of honey, 1 medium-sized ginger root, 2 to 3 whole lemons, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: peel and slice the ginger. Slice the lemons into wedges, and in a saucepan combine the thyme, lemon, ginger, honey, and water. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. When finished, remove from the heat and strain to remove the solids. Pour the mixture into a clean glass jar and allow it to cool. Ensure the airtight lid is tight and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And how to use it. Shake the syrup before using. You can take 1 to 2 tablespoons by mouth up to 4 times daily as needed. And the interesting part, how it all works. Honey contains flavonoids and phenolic acid, which possess antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. The main way honey helps alleviate coughs is by forming a protective layer on the throat that soothes the irritation and suppresses the cough. Ginger contains gingerol, scool, and zingeron, which have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. They help reduce inflammation in the throat and airways. This eases the cough and promotes respiratory health. Ginger also acts as a natural expectorant, helping to loosen and expel the mucus from the lungs, which can further alleviate coughing. And in the lemons, they have vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and helps fight off infections. Vitamin C also promotes the production of collagen, which strengthens the mucous membranes in the throat and respiratory tract, thereby reducing irritation and coughing. Additionally, the acidic nature of lemons can help break down mucus and provide relief from coughing and congestion. Thyme contains thymol, carbapenem, and rosmarinic acid, which have antispasmodic, expectorant, and antimicrobial properties. The thymol helps relax the muscles of the respiratory tract and reduce the coughing. Thyme also acts as an expectorant by thinning the mucus and making it easier to expel from the lungs, thereby relieving cough and congestion. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for new content added daily.